come to the next topic to solve lattice energy. Lattice energy means the breaking energy. So the crystal will have the atoms in like a soldiers, they are arranged in a orderly, they will be formed in atoms in crystal. So that points are called as a lattice points. To break the atom, crystals required energy is called as a lattice energy. The energy released when ionic compounds is formed, individual atom in gaseous state. For example, Na plus is a gaseous ion, Cl minus is a gaseous ion, combined to form NaCl. It releases the energy that is exothermic. Energy required to completely separate the, NaCl, it breaks, it liberates, it requires, absorbs the energy. So Na plus and the Cl minus, the lattice energy is a positive, it is an endothermic process. So now the formula, lattice energy is equal to K into Q1 into Q2 by R. So K is a constant and Q1, Q2 are the charges and the radius of cation and the anion. So lattice energy is equal to K into Q plus into Q minus by radius of cation plus radius of anion. K is a constant. Q1 is the charge of the cation, Q2 is the charge of the anion, or is the radius between the ions in ionic compound. Radius between Na plus ion and a Cl minus ion. Cation and anion is small size, that is a force of attraction. If there is a more force of attraction, it requires more energy to break. So that is called a high lattice energy. So let us see one small chart. Lattice energy is directly proportional to charge of the cation. Lattice energy is directly proportional to charge of the anion. Lattice energy is inversely proportional to radius of the cation. Lattice energy is inversely proportional to radius of the anion. For example, for this, directly proportional to cation. Aluminium 3 plus and magnesium 2 plus. Aluminium 3 plus, aluminum chloride, it has a 3 plus valency aluminium. Magnesium chloride, magnesium valency is 2. That is, plus 3 is more charged than plus 2. So aluminium chloride is more lattice energy than a magnesium chloride. So more charge has more lattice energy. Next example, Q minus, aluminium oxide, Al2O3. Oxygen valency is minus 2. It is anion. Aluminium nitride, nitrogen valency is minus 3. So in this, when you compare to minus 2 and minus 3, more charge is minus 3. So aluminium nitride is greater than the aluminium oxide. So more negative charge. Now let us see that lattice energy is inversely proportional to the radius of the cation. Small size of the cation will have a large lattice energy. So what lithium fluoride and sodium fluoride. Fluoride is nothing but anion. Fluoride is anion. This is anion is common. Now the difference is cation. So small size of lithium is very small size when compared to sodium is a large size. So already told lithium, lattice energy is inversely proportional to the radius of the cation. So if it is a smaller size of the lithium means it has a more lattice energy than the larger size of cation. Now let us see the lattice energy inversely proportional to the radius of the anion. So size of the anion is small, more lattice energy. For example, KBr and Ki. Cation is common. Potassium is cation plus. But Br minus, I minus are called as an anion. So Br, when compared to bromine and iodine, iodine is a large size, bromine is a small size. So if it is a small size of the anion, it has a high lattice energy. Now let us see the charge is greater than the size. So when you compare to charge and size, is both are same means first priority to be given to charge. So more domination. So KBr and Ki, K plus and Br minus, K plus and I minus. So in this charge is same means. So if the charge is same means, see the size of the atom. The size of the atom of iodine is greater than the bromine. So the charge is same. Br minus is small size, I minus is large size, but lattice energy is inversely proportional to radius of the anion. So a small size will have the greater lattice energy. So KBr have the more lattice energy than the potassium iodide. Question. So lattice energy is equal to constant into Q plus Q minus by radius of cation plus radius of anion. So cation charge, anion charge should be more for a high lattice energy. Charge of the cation, charge of the anion should be more, means lattice energy also more, because they are directly proportional. But the when you compare to radius, they are inversely proportional. So smaller radius, greater lattice energy. Radius of cation, radius of anion should be small for a higher lattice energy. Next question, arrange the high lattice energy order. So we are, question is given sodium fluoride and magnesium oxide, different cation, different anion. And here sodium fluoride, magnesium fluoride, aluminum fluoride, anion is same, but cations are different. And carbon tetrachloride and silicon tetrachloride, anion is same, but cation is different. And here the different sodium fluoride and magnesium chloride, and sodium oxide and magnesium oxide. So let us see the answer for the question. First example, first pair is sodium fluoride and magnesium oxide, Na plus and F minus. So it is Na plus cation, F minus anion. So here that is magnesium is 2 plus and oxygen is 2 minus. Both has a high charge compared to Na plus and F minus. So what charge? First priority should be given to the charge. So MgO is greater than NaF. The lattice energy of magnesium oxide is greater than sodium fluoride. Next example, sodium fluoride, magnesium fluoride, aluminium fluoride is a question. Aluminium valency is plus 3, magnesium valency is plus 2, sodium valency is plus 1. So more charge, more lattice energy. So aluminium fluoride is greater than, magnesium fluoride is greater than sodium fluoride. Then carbon tetrachloride and silicon tetrachloride. So both having plus 4 and a plus 4. But charges are same, we should see the size. So when we compare, both are in a carbon family. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. I given one sentence, chemistry, sir, gives standard problem. Chemistry, C, carbon, sir, silicon, gives Ge, germanium, standard SN, tin, and the problem, PB, lead. So easy to remember, chemistry, sir, gives standard problem, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Both are having a plus 4 valency. They belong to 4th A group elements. So the valency is same, plus 4 valency. When you compare to carbon and silicon, carbon is a small size, silicon is a larger size. So carbon, size of the cation is lattice energy is inversely proportional to the radius of the cation and the anion. If it is a smaller size, it has a greater lattice energy. So carbon is a smaller size, so the lattice energy is more than the silicon. Next example, sodium fluoride and magnesium chloride. So in this sodium Na plus and F minus, here MgCl2 and Cl minus. So should give the more priority to the higher charge, more lattice energy. So MgCl2 is greater than Na here. Next example, Na2O and MgO. Magnesium have plus 2 valency, sodium will have plus 1 valency, because oxygen is a anion is same. So only cation is different. So the cation is plus 2 is a greater charge, greater lattice energy than plus 1. Thanks for watching, students.